Hi guys, it's Mr. David here. I am so happy to see you all. It has been a while since we had lessons together and I miss you really a lot. Today, you and I are going to have a very interesting lesson. Possibly the most interesting lesson that we've ever had before. First, let's write the date. Today is Monday, the 25th of May 2020. What about the season? It is spring, and this is the last week of spring, because next week is going to be summer. I want you to look carefully at these pictures and to try to think what the lesson is going to be about. Can you try to guess? Let's look at the pictures. Wow, there are so many interesting pictures there. Did you manage to guess what the lesson is going to be about? So today's lesson is going to be about summer. And it's a very interesting lesson because summer is coming very soon. It's already next week and we need to learn some new things about it in English. But first of all, let's discuss what summer is. So what is summer? Let's look at that beautiful picture that says summer. Wow, that's an amazing picture. So summer is one of the 4 seasons we have, and it is normally the hottest season. It's the season when it's very hot. Do you know the other seasons we have? We have summer, then we have autumn, then we have winter, and then we have spring. Let's start with the first word that we are going to learn today. Our first word is the word vacation. Vacation is like a holiday. So when you're not working and you are not in school, normally it means that you are on a vacation. And normally people like to go places on vacation. They like to travel. For example, I like going to Portugal on vacation because it's a very beautiful place. And now I'm going to ask you, where do you like going on vacation? Do you like going to Spain? Do you like going to England? Do you like going to Australia? Or maybe to China? Do you like going to the United States of America? So there are different places that you can go on vacation. Where do you like going on vacation? Our next word that we are going to learn today is the word beach. So look at that picture, that's a beautiful beach. So there are many beautiful beaches in the world. And I'm going to ask you now, what is your favorite beach? For example, my favorite beach is in Thailand. I have been to Thailand before and they have many beautiful beaches. The next word is the word camping. Because a lot of people love camping during the summer. And people usually go camping during summer. And now I'm going to ask you, have you ever tried camping? I have tried camping before in Portugal and Switzerland. Have you ever tried camping? So for some people that don't like camping or they just didn't go camping, people normally go to a hotel, which is the next word that we are learning today. This is a very easy word. A lot of people already know these words. And it's important to know that every country in the world has a hotel. Some countries have a lot of hotels, while some other countries have less hotels. And now the question, have you ever been in a hotel? And where? I have been in a hotel in London, and I have been in a hotel in Portugal as well and Switzerland. What about you? Where have you been in a hotel? The next word that we are going to learn today is the word swimming pool. Now, a lot of people love swimming pool in the summer. Why? Why do you think people love swimming pool in the summer? Because it is very hot and the water sometimes is cool or even cold or warm, and it's really nice to swim when it's really hot. You can swim in a swimming pool. That makes sense. And now the question, do you like swimming in the swimming pool? I love swimming in the swimming pool. During summer, it's one of my favorite activities. Our next word is the word surfing, because it's an activity that is very famous during summer. And people like surfing in the sea. And people can also surf in the ocean. And now the question, have you ever tried surfing? I have tried surfing once, but I was not very good at it. Have you ever tried surfing? The next word in our word list is the word sunglasses, because a lot of people start using sunglasses during summer. During winter, you don't see a lot of people wearing sunglasses, but during summer, almost everyone wears sunglasses. And why? Because it is sunny. So people use sunglasses when it is sunny. And now the question, what color are your sunglasses? For example, my sunglasses are black and red, because those are my favorite colors. And what color are your sunglasses? Our next word is the word swimsuit, because people use the swimsuits when they go to the beach or when they go to the swimming pool. We use swimsuits to swim in the ocean, sea, or the swimming pool. And now the question, what color is your swimsuit? For example, my swimsuit is white, blue, and yellow. What color is your swimsuit? The next word for our summer list is the word tickets. And the reason why we are learning these words is that because normally we need to buy tickets to go places. So first, we might need to buy tickets to go to the airport and then to fly to a different country. You need to buy plane tickets to travel by plane. That makes sense. For example, if you want to travel by train, you need to buy train tickets. If you want to travel by bus, you need to buy bus tickets. For example, if you travel by car, do you need to buy tickets? Normally, no. If you have your own car, you don't need to buy tickets. And now the question, have you ever bought a ticket? For example, have you ever bought a ticket to go to the swimming pool or to go to an aqua park? Have you ever bought a ticket to go to the cinema, for example, or even to travel by plane? The next word in our list is the word barbecue. Now, people make barbecues outside, and this is why it's a word that we need to learn, because it's people do barbecues outside because it's really, really hot. That's why we are learning these words. And now the question, do you like barbecues? I love barbecues because I love grilled vegetables, and they are so tasty when you barbecue them. And the next word we are going to learn is what I like to eat after the barbecue, which is the word ice cream. And people usually eat lots of ice creams during summer. And why? Because again, it's really hot and the ice cream is cold. So it will help people not be so hot. And now the question for you, what is your favorite ice cream flavor? My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate. It's so tasty, yummy. Now let's do the task for today's lesson. We are going to look at two different pictures and we are going to try to guess what the word is. You just need to shout the word when you see it. Let's look at the first two pictures. So the first two pictures obviously are the word vacation. So remember, when we are not working and when you are not in school, you are normally on a vacation. And now I have a follow-up question. Where was your last vacation? My last vacation was in Portugal. And where was your last vacation? Let's look at the next two pictures. Do you know what this word is? That's right, this is the word beach. And now I have a follow-up question for you. Where was the last beach you were at? So the last beach I was at was also in Portugal when I was there on vacation. And it was a very beautiful beach. The sea was so warm and it was so nice to swim in it. Let's look at the next two pictures. Do you remember what this is? That's right, this is camping. It's what people love to do outdoors when they don't go to the hotel. And now the follow-up question. Have you ever tried camping? And where? I have tried camping many years ago. I don't remember where it was, but it was a long time ago. Let's look at the next two pictures. So when you don't go camping, where do you go to? You go to a hotel. Very good. And now our follow-up question. Where was the last hotel you were in? The last hotel I was in was in Kazan. And that's in Russia. Now the next two pictures. Do you remember what this is? I bet you do. I bet everyone knows what this is because everybody loves this. And this is a swimming pool. And now I have a follow-up question. Where was the last swimming pool you swam in? So the last swimming pool I swam in was in my dacha, here at home. We have a swimming pool and I like to swim inside. Let's look at the next two pictures. So this one should be easy because it's easy to remember. So this is the word surfing. Now I have another question for you. Because we're in Russia, I don't think a lot of people actually do this. So I'm gonna ask you, would you like to try surfing? And where? If you could choose, where would you like to surf? So I would like to try surfing in Spain. I think it would be wonderful to try to surf there. So let's look at the next two pictures. The next two pictures are something that people wear a lot when it's really sunny. And these are sunglasses. Now I have a follow-up question for you. What color are your sunglasses? So as I said before, my sunglasses are red and black because they are my favorite colors. What color are your sunglasses? Let's look at the next two pictures. The next two pictures are swimsuits. And now the follow-up question for you. How many swimsuits do you have? And what color are they? So I have three swimsuits. One is blue, one is white, and the other one is yellow. The next word is the word tickets. Now I have a follow-up question for you. What tickets have you purchased? So when you purchase something, it means that you buy tickets. You bought some tickets. So what tickets have you purchased? So I have purchased tickets to go to the cinema, for example. Let's look at the next two pictures. Do you remember what this is? That's right, this is a barbecue. And now the follow-up question. What is your favorite barbecue? For example, my favorite barbecue is vegetable barbecue because I love vegetables. And let's look at the last two pictures of today's words. So this is a very tasty thing to eat. And it is an ice cream. And now, the follow-up question. How many ice creams will you eat this summer? So I think that I will eat 50 ice creams this summer because I love chocolate ice cream. What about you? How many ice creams are you going to eat? So today we learned all of these words about summer. There are really important words to know in English. So we learned the word barbecue, swimsuit, sunglasses, surfing, swimming pool, hotel, camping, beach, ice cream, and vacation. Don't forget these words. Keep revising them, keep practicing them. And in our next lesson, we will continue learning these words and how to use them. Today, you did a great work. And I will see you in our next lesson. Bye!